Hello children, today we are going to discuss about magnification. Magnification, it is denoted by small m. Magnification is nothing but the ratio of image size to object size. The ratio of image size to object size is called magnification of lens. If we denote image size with HI and object size with HO, then the magnification is given by m is equals to HI by HO. Magnification is given by m equals to HI by HO. Let us derive the expression of magnification. This is a convex lens. Here this is principal axis, this is optic center, F1, F2 are the focal points, O dash is an object. Let us draw a ray diagram in order to form image. The first ray is parallel to the principal axis, meet the lens at P dash, and after refraction it passes through focal point, and the second ray which is passing through optic center is undeviated. These two refracted rays meet at I dash. We have to draw a down arrow, that is I dash. This I dash is nothing but image of the object. Now take these triangles PII dash, PII dash and triangle POO dash are similar triangles. According to the properties of similar triangles, height by height equals to base by base. Height of this triangle II dash by height of this triangle OO dash is equals to base of this triangle PI and base of this triangle PO. II dash is nothing but image height. II dash is nothing but image height. HI. Here we have taken negative sign because according to sign convention, the height measured downwards from principal axis should be taken as negative. Next, OO dash is plus HO, that is object size or object height. Here we have taken positive because the height measured upwards from the principal axis should be taken as positive. Next, PI, image distance. It is measured in the direction of incident light, so that it is positive, and PO, it is measured in the direction of opposite to the incident light, so it should be taken as negative. So according to sign convention rules, the height measured downwards should be taken as negative, the heights measured upwards from principal axis should be taken as positive, the heights which measured in the opposite direction of the incident light should be taken as negative, the heights measured in the same direction of the incident light should be taken as positive. So these are the values of II dash equals to minus HI, OO dash equals to plus HO, PI equals to plus V, PO equals to minus U. Substitute all these values in this equation. Therefore minus HI by HO is equals to V by minus U. Minus minus will get cancelled, then we get HI by HO is equals to V by U, or we can also write magnification m is equals to HI by HO equals to V by U. Now this is the mathematical expression of magnification of a lens. Let us solve a problem. An electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table in a line at a distance of 1 meter. So here an electric lamp and a screen, this is screen, placed at 1 meter distance, that is 100 centimeters. So bulb and screen are placed at 1 centimeter distance. So an electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table in a line at a distance of 1 meter or 100 centimeters. In what position of the convex lens of focal length of f equals to 21 centimeter we have to place will be the image of lamp B sharp. So that means at what position we have to place the convex lamp? At what position we have to place the convex lens? From the mirror, from the bulb. At what position we have to place the convex lens from the bulb? So let us say this x is, let us say the distance between convex lens and bulb is x. Let us say the distance between convex lens and bulb is x. The remaining length will be obviously 100 minus x. 100 minus x. This will be the object distance. So this x will be the object distance, u equals to minus x, and this 100 minus x will be the image distance. This will be the object distance, u equals to minus x, and this will be the image distance, v equals to 100 minus x. And the focal length of the lens f equals to 21 centimeter. So let us substitute these values in lens formula, that is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substitute these values in this equation. 1 by 21 equals to 1 by 100 minus x minus 1 by minus x. 1 by 21 is equals to 1 by 100 minus x minus by minus plus 1 by x. So 1 by, so this is 100 minus x. 1 by 21 is equals to 1 by, do LCM, we get x plus 100 minus x by 100 minus x into x. So plus x minus x will get cancelled. Remaining term 1 by 21 is equals to 100 by 100x minus x square. Now do cross multiplication. Then we get 100x minus x square is equals to 2100. Therefore x square minus 100x minus plus 2100 is equals to 0. So we can take fractions. We can take our fractions. So when we write in fraction form, x square minus 70x minus 30x plus 2100 is equals to 0. Take common x into x minus 70. Take common minus 30, x minus 70 is equals to 0. Therefore take common x minus 70. X minus 70 into x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now x minus 70 is equals to 0, x minus 30 is equals to 0. Then we get x is equals to 70 centimeters or x is equals to 30 centimeter. That means we have to place the bulb, we have to place the convex lens from the bulb at 30 centimeter distance or at 70 centimeter distance in order to get sharp image on the screen. So we have to place the convex lens at 30 centimeter distance or at 70 centimeter distance from the bulb in order to obtain a sharp image on the screen. Thank you.